Let's be clear about something. AI in architecture doesn't mean you press one button and the whole job is done for you. At least not right now in 2026. What AI in architecture actually means is faster drawings, better clarity, faster renders, and a better workflow in its whole entirety. AI right now helps us draw faster and smarter, and then allows us to focus on the spaces themselves, the proportions in the room, and the original design intent. That's exactly where Rayon.design fits in, and today I want to show you all of Rayon's amazing AI features. Traditional CAD software still works, but it comes with so much friction. For example, with Rayon Design, you can come onto their website, check out the pricing, you can start completely for free, or for basically cents on the dollar compared to some of the other big boys. AutoCAD, behind a complete paywall. Graphisoft, again, behind a huge paywall. That's 10 times the price, if not more, of Rayon. Same as Revit, huge paywalls. Now, obviously we're talking CAD and BIM software, so there's a difference, but the fact that you have an entry starting point into architecture is absolutely huge when it's free of charge. Better yet, Rayon is web-based. You can download it directly to your computer, but you can use it literally anywhere. So once you've signed in, you're gonna be taken to your homepage. It's gonna look a little something like this. And today we're talking about AI in architecture. So we're taking a floor plan and school design to see what Rayon's AI can actually do. But before we dive in, a quick summary of Rayon compared to legacy CAD. Yes, you still have layers, but they're so much cleaner and nicer. Yes, you still have commands, but you just really have to look at the little toolbar down the bottom and you have everything you need. But if you're familiar with the command line, you can still go ahead and use it. Your block library is ridiculously extensive compared to that of any other CAD software. You literally have thousands of blocks available to you. If you can't find the one, I'll show you the way AI does it for us. Better yet, AI can fix our drawings for us, which is absolutely amazing. No other legacy CAD can. So let's break this down. Down the bottom, the very last icon on the left-hand toolbar, you have AI chat. If we click the AI chat, you can simply ask what Rayon AI can do by clicking the button, and it'll give you an answer, telling you can generate images, search for content, use images in requests, credit systems, and so much more. But let's start with the fun stuff. Let's create a render of this very floor plan in front of us. How do we do that? Down the bottom, go add content, add screenshot. Let's just simply screenshot this entire floor plan and then type in render the floor plan. Press OK. Give Rayon a few seconds to think about it, process it, and spit out an image quicker than any other AI system out there at the moment. In seconds, we get an axonometric view of our floor plan completely rendered with different textures. And if we want to use it, we just go insert image, drag it over, scale it, adjust it, do whatever we need. And we have an example of our built form. Is it perfect? Absolutely not. Does it tell a story and a narrative? 100%. Now, let's say we've got some spaces in our floor plan that we really like, but for whatever reason, we can't find a block that's fit for purpose. So despite having over 1,000 chairs in this Rayon block library, maybe we still can't find the right one. Okay, we go online, any retailer, find a chair we like. Let's pick this one as an example. Let's take a screenshot of this chair. Amazing. Next, we come back into Rayon, go to tools and go generate tracing. Next, we're going to upload a file, which is a screenshot we just took, and type in generate blocks. Next, we're going to press enter. In a matter of seconds, it'll give us our first vector graphic, which is an identical image of what we provided, and then it'll give us our block. So we can go ahead and insert that into our project. We can also ask it to create top and side view blocks. And in a matter of seconds, it'll give us all our block views. We can just import that entire block family, or we can import individuals like this top down, so that we can go ahead, rotate it, scale it, place it in our drawing exactly where we want to, and delete the other block we don't need. So let's say if we double click on this, we didn't want those two chairs. Instead, we wanted this block in the project. We can go ahead and send that to the back layer and Command C, Command V, copy paste. That way we can have two chairs in our project in a matter of seconds. Now, let's say we weren't sure about how to change this text to red. We could simply ask Rayon how to change all the dimension text to red, and it would give us a clear breakdown of exactly what we need to do and guide us through the process. Kind of taking me out of a job, but hey, that's okay. it's giving you instant information to be able to draw faster and focus on what really matters. I'll jump in the middle here and let you all know that Rayon has a huge advantage over legacy CAD. It does not take weeks, months, years to master the software. In fact, I've got a video that will teach you Rayon in under 15 minutes. So if you really want to learn like Rayon, you want to learn how to draw, design, and document in it, and not just use their amazing AI features, then you can do all of this in an afternoon. Meaning if you're a student or a professional, you can start drawing incredible architectural spaces, including floor plans, sections, layouts, and everything in between, faster than ever before. And better yet, you can use thousands of Rayon's templates all for free. Now, with Rayon Design, you can obviously draw floor plans like this school that we've had in front of us. We can draw site plans like the one above by simply using fills, lines, and text. If you're unsure, down the bottom, we can draw a circle, for instance, finish it off to create the shape, select it. On the right hand side, we can add a fill, red, transparency, reduce, and then let's say we don't want that stroke at all. And there you go. In seconds, you've created that same tree. If you wanted it to be gray instead of red, but didn't want to go through that entire process again, you can click that red tree, go pick style, and then select the gray tree, and it will automatically change that tree for you. You can also draw axonometric drawings like these exploded axos here, or if I jump to another project, we can draw electrical plans, finishing schedules, sectional details, cabinetry details, and so much more. In our floor plans, we can go to our blocks, go to our libraries, search for a table, find a coffee table we like, for instance, and drag and drop that into our project. There we go. In seconds, we have the coffee table in our project. If we wanted a door, for instance, then we come down to the bottom to openings, pick an insertion point, that one over there, click, show the opening direction, and finished. It will automatically cut our walls to create that door block, which of course we can change on the right hand side, go through any of the options in our library, or we can just delete it because having a glass door into a toilet is a little bit awkward. One of the best features about Rayon is actually their zoning tool. And if you've never used a zoning tool, let's just go ahead and delete that one for starters. Down the bottom, you're going to see zone. We can just press Z. When you hover over a space, it automatically fills it. No holding space, no trying to find the perfect one. It'll just figure it out. You press it, it immediately finds the zone and creates you a zone. It will give it a name and tell you the square meterage as well. After that, you can pick style, steal it from another zone, rename it to classroom 42 or whatever you like. And if you really like these styles that you've created, you can of course just add them as a style. So you see how in shapes I have a hatch, I can add strokes if I wanted to, or I can remove strokes. Whatever I was happy with, I could then go select that style, go to the little plus button and go save style. Call it whatever we like, for example, long running timber, finished. Then once it's saved as style, we go something else like these tiles, for instance, go replace all with long running bond, and it will replace all the tiles in the project. So as another example, let's go here, replace, finished. It's quickly finding all the same styles and just simply replacing them all, saving us so much time. Now, obviously we can also annotate with our leaders down the bottom. So clicking once, clicking out, finishing off, putting in text, long timber table as one annotation example, pressing OK. Then of course we can adjust our styles here again. If that text needs to be too significantly larger, if the text needs to be red, it can be, whatever we need. All of this in one place, no switching software, no last minute crazy deadline time adjustments, because it's super simple in Rayon Design. Now, because it is obviously 2026 and nobody works alone in the architecture field anymore, not even at university, there's so many group projects. In the left hand panel, we have comment, which basically means we can collaborate with our teams and our peers. And it's so simple to use. You just click the add new comment button, come over here to long table, go no marble table, maybe open for discussion, and post that across. Now everybody in this project up top, share via access, would be able to discuss and collaborate with me in this project. Better yet, they can actually use it real time as I'm using it as well. No servers, no static IP addresses, all built in to the web browser. Now, before we wrap up, this part is important, so I thought I'd talk direct to you again. You see, Rayon is an online collaborative tool, but just because it's innovative doesn't mean you're giving up the power of CAD. It doesn't mean that at all. You can still export DWGs, DXFs, PDFs, and everything in between that you're familiar with and your consultants are asking for. You still get high-level CAD standards, you're just upgrading it to the modern way of designing. So to wrap up, AI is not going to replace you as an architecture student, at least not right now in 2026. What it is going to do is allow you to draw faster, clearer, and smarter. And in 2026, it's all about using software that isn't the most complicated, but the one that gives us our time back, our freedom to design the way we like to, and of course, the confidence to produce high-level documentation. That's why so many designers, interior designers, and architects are all choosing Rayon design. Anyway, that's all from me, team. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below. And like always, I'll see you next week.